Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got another unbagging from Amazon. It is another one of the little budget-friendly canvases. But before I get into the unbagging, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and that I appreciate every single one of you. And if you don't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And if you're just passing through, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button. And hope you like my videos. So, let's go ahead and get into this. If I can find the opening. And I hope everybody's having a great day today. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Alright, so this is a poured glue, and it is a little partial special drill canvas. I love doing these. Absolutely love them. They're just fun. They're just so much fun. Alright, so this is what it is. It's just a bunch of circles, but it is so colorful and pretty. I just think it's so pretty. Alright, so it is a 30 by 30. There are 12 colors in this. There is a legend on the top right and on the bottom left. And again, if anyone knows what these gemstones are called as far as what their numbers are, like, you know, the DMC numbers for the regular drills, each color has a number. If anybody knows where you can get a code for all these, like the teardrops, the different sizes and colors, I'd really appreciate knowing, because I really want to be able to label these correctly and put them in my storage. So, let's look at the drills. All right. With the kit, you get your little average toolkit, which is your green boat, your little square of wax, and a pink pen. Let's see what goodies we got. Now, I only gave $4.89 for this. So that's not bad at all. It's really, if you think about it, it's cheaper than the budget companies, even though they're like $3 and something once you pay for shipping, and, you know, takes a month of Sundays to get here. You know, this is cheaper. So, what do we got? We have some white pearls, tiny pearls. These are like a pinkish rhinestone or crystal, some green, some light blue, a darker blue. We've got some gold, and then we have got blue. What are those? Like diamond shape? Ooh, look at these. These are iridescent teardrops. Those are so pretty. Ooh. And then we've got some pinkish teardrops. Look, there's some stragglers right there. And then we've got some red, some green, and then we got these great big white pearls. Wonder where those go. They're going to go right there in the middle. So, aren't those pretty, y'all? So pretty. I love that iridescent. I love that. Alright. So, like I said, there's only 12 colors. And it shows you a picture of all the, let's see, let's go down. Maybe my phone will focus a little bit better. Maybe not. Anyway, it shows you a picture and the symbols. All right. And look at those colors. This is going to be so pretty when it's done. But you got 4 circles, 1 at each corner. And then it sort of puts me in mind of a Ferris wheel. Sort of, kind of. And it's a partial. So like all of this here, none of this is sticky because there's no glue on it. Because we don't do anything to it. The only thing that is sticky is where we place the gems. But isn't that pretty? And it's very clear. I can tell where everything goes. And I get so excited when I do these. I don't know why. I'm like a kid. But I get so excited when I have leftover gems. I just feel silly sometimes. But yeah, this is so pretty. I think it's going to be really pretty when done. So, all right, y'all, what do you think? Do y'all like doing the special gems? Have y'all ever done one? Leave me a comment below and let me know if you like special shape canvases or you don't like them. And if you don't, why? So yeah. So that's my little 30 by 30 special drill. And like I said, I only give $4.89 for this. So that's not bad. So, all right, y'all. I guess until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.